children for
India, yeah.
哦，这个是印度人学校。
It's high school. 900 something money.
900 something money.
Yeah.
One term.
One term.
他说一个学期90万。
We call Mount View Primary School.
9000块钱人民币。
Central High School.
This is the one.
This is the Central High School for India school. Shaidu.
Wait. This is for what?
For Central High School. Yeah.
For India.
For children for India school.
Special. Only
It's
India.
Only special, yeah.
Only India.
Sometimes the Malawian people go not more than 10, but always for India. When you come on morning hours Monday, you come here.
No Chinese.
No Chinese less, not more than 10. Yeah. But always for India.
他说基本上都是印度人，当地人可能也就不到10个，中国人也就不到10个，然后一学期那个学费是90万，一年3个学期，就一学期9000
，2万多人民币一年，
那就高端嘛，也是高端，而且全印度人的，对 ，straight。全印度人学校
，factory, new warehouses
for India,
for India.
So this school is built by India.
This one is for India. This one
全部都是印度人。
这位，这就是个学校，刚才说的。
这就那个印度人专门给印度人上的学校，然后在他们教室都在盖，一看就有钱一些。
The classes, the classes. You see the children inside. They're learning.
They are learning. 哦，里面有看到学生，能看到吗？
看不到。
有那窗户里面。
哦。
Main gate, we cannot find main gate. 但是这个路就有点烂了哈。
路没有。
试着进去看。
印度。
那出去吧，还是可以拍，拍。
要出去吗？
出去吧。这也没有什么。
里面都在上课。
Exit gate. You see? All is in.
Yeah.
Into.
左边很多学生。
We call this one Central High School.
This 应该是个高中。这也能随意进来，学校。
Always for meat. You can go there, you see.
Your boss.
Let's enter, let's enter. Let's go. My boss.
Yeah.
Let's go. You can turn.
We can enter.
Yeah. Turn to that side.
你朋友在这里？
就他老板。
在这里干嘛？
他买肉啊，买羊肉啊。
哎，那我们可以去拍一下。
Oh, after we see
fertilizer.
We use this side. This
无人机飞一下。
他说无人机飞一下。
this kind.
上有山有什么的，
For life.
山有学校，
方便图吗？
找个空的地方就是。
This is what we call
哦，一只鸟，真的。哦，这鸟为什么飞那么矮啊？
this one. This one ETG Maoni. We call this area as Maoni. Limbe. It's in Limbe but Maoni. The company of fertilizer. All here is fertilizer. Fertilizer. Waiting for inside.
This is the country biggest fertilizer company.
This is a warehouse factory.
我们三脚架带着去的呀，
We call it warehouse
其实把
for
三脚架
fertilizer.
支好就行，
For
真好了
fertilizer.
干嘛？
这样拍。
If you wish
这车上的镜头
enter inside, you can back
没有那么好
to see the guys how they work.
陈伟，
我们现在在那个林比这边那个一个化肥工厂，然后这旁边看到的停的大卡车就跟刚才运台一
Inside
样
you，guys back.
都是运化肥的，运化肥的。然后那个
You see?
这边是它的仓库，还有生产加工。因为现在雨季到了嘛，雨季到了，他们开始播种，然后施肥什么的。
You have to.
然后我们就过来看一下，因为化肥是他们那个很关键的东西。
Information good.
Yeah.
This company is under India.
India.
They buy maize and sell maize, fertilizer. Sometimes if government want to share fertilizer by free of charge, they come here by small money. Maybe if a bag of fertilizer is 20,000, government pay 12,000 by free of charge. In order for Malawians, poor Malawians, buy at a cheaper price. If you one bag, that guy like that guy, make one bag, carry that bag and you make you for line, sieve, give you 150 kwacha each, 150. This is maize and fertilizer for inside. This is for maize.
This is maize.
A World Food Program. This one, you said, is for government to buy, want to give to poor people.
Okay.
Yeah, like this.
It means some Malawian have more maize.
Yeah.
They bring here for sale.
Bring
And
here for sale.
And the government
Maize,
buy from here.
Government buy
Give
from here.
some poor people.
Some poor people, yeah. So all these guys is once they have worked today, it's only today salary. They count how many you make, how many you cut. They give today. Coming tomorrow again, the same issue, like that.
那个镜头取了吗？
去了。
So the government don't have a place for buying maize.
They have, but the biggest in Long. Yeah, use this way. You have to see somewhere else. We have here different companies, different factories and different companies. Maize flour manufacturers. Yeah.
So that one is also export.
That one export for fertilizer and maize, which is not manufacturing already. And for this one is flour. Flour for bread, for sima is made in here.
And fertilizer also export
Fertilizer
to foreign,
also, yeah.
another country.
Yeah. Fertilizer is also export.
Export.
Yeah. They get from other company. They have factory. They have factory.
I know. The maize and the tobacco, whatever your country is exporting, and the fertilizer also you are exporting to another country.
Yeah. Fertilizer they export different district.
Oh,
not a country. District.
Okay.
Yeah. Not country.
That's why I'm confused.
Yeah.
他说这边都是进出口公司啊什么的，说吗？都进出口公司啊什么的，然后这边也有化肥，也有什么的， 然后这边就是化肥是这边有生产，然后分发到全国各地。然后他们还有收集那些粮食啊、玉米啊、什么那个面粉啊什么的，这边就是工厂加工的，然后也有出口，然后也有分发到各地去销售啊什么的。就贸易公司嘛，这边就是都是印度人的。那我们再转转。
好，走吧。
Okay, let's go.
Use this one.
It's okay. For what?
This one.
No,
It's okay?
Yeah.
You get the good information, huh? So what next you wish to see?
Wait. 它太不怕。